The repeater element is a powerful tool used in web development to dynamically display repeating data such as products, product reviews, features, and other database entries on a website. This element works by connecting directly to your data source and allows you to design a single template for an item that will automatically be repeated for each entry in the dataset. When using the repeater element, you create a template with placeholders for data that changes with each record. For example, in an e-commerce setting, the template might include placeholders for product images, names, prices, and descriptions. Once connected to your data source, the repeater element pulls this information from the database and populates the template for each product, thereby creating a consistent and organized display of items without the need for manually creating individual entries. Before using the repeater element, I recommend watching and understanding videos on data binding. To use the repeater element, go to the Elements section. Before using the element, add it to the area where you want the data to be linked. Use the data source settings of the element to define the data path you want to bind regarding the product. I am connecting this data path because I want to retrieve the product testimonials data. Next, from the ready-made elements we will use in the listing, I transfer the tile element to this area using the drag and drop method. You can customize the content and areas in this section according to the structure of your website. I have added the tile element to my area. To make a data connection to the areas where I want to get testimonials features, double-clicking or pressing the Control key and clicking in this area will suffice. After the selection process, I activate this checkbox in the source section of the settings. With the select process, I will choose the testimonials image feature and then connect the other options to this area. I have completed all connection processes, and now my data will dynamically arrive on my website. You can use the repeater feature in many areas of your website. LightFunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for LightFunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of LightFunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of LightFunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that LightFunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, LightFunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.